The USA is facing a historic shortage of medical laboratory scientists. This is your complete roadmap to a career in America. Hospitals, blood banks, and labs across America are desperate for skilled medical technologists, creating an unprecedented demand for qualified professionals. The U.S. is hiring foreign-trained MTs and MLS through special work visas, including H-1B, EB-2, and EB-3 programs. First, understand your visa options. The H-1B is a temporary specialty occupation work visa, commonly used by hospitals and labs. The EB-2 visa is for professionals with advanced degrees or exceptional expertise, often faster if you qualify under Schedule A occupations. EB-3 is the skilled worker pathway, perfect for foreign MTs and MLS graduates with a U.S. job offer from a certified employer. To be eligible, you must have at least a bachelor's degree in medical technology or clinical laboratory science from a recognized institution. U.S. employers often require certification, most importantly the ASCP exam. Prepare thoroughly and register through the ASCP website. Prove English proficiency. Tests like TOEFL or IELTS are often required by employers and immigration authorities. Get your foreign credentials evaluated by recognized agencies like CGFNS or WAS to confirm U.S. degree equivalency. Start your job search. Target U.S. hospitals, blood banks, and clinical labs that sponsor foreign medical technologists. Prepare for remote interviews. Emphasize your certifications, experience, and readiness for U.S. clinical standards. Secure a sponsoring employer. Signed job offers are crucial to begin your visa application and permanent residency process. Attend your embassy interview. Bring all necessary documents, degrees, certifications, job offer, and credential evaluations. Your skills are needed now more than ever. Take the first step toward your U.S. laboratory career and build your future.